let's face it, people change like the weather, and that's just the truth. You know, as my father-in-law would say, people change like the weather. And in order to counteract that, you have to know who you are. And you have to love yourself 100% at all times in any moment. And you have to own your uniqueness, own your weirdness. There's no one else in the world that looks like you. There's no one in the world that dresses like you, that thinks like you, that no one in the world that's like you. So my message for today is own your uniqueness. You know, focus on yourself. Stop seeking external stimuli. Stop seeking outside validation. Love yourself 100%, and you won't care what anyone thinks about you because you know yourself and you know your worth. And that's what you are living for. That's what you're improving each and every day. So, love yourself, know your worth. Dreadman Chronicles. Yeah.